never know how to like start these things off. Like I know what I want to say once I get started, but I can't, like the first like 3 words, I can't get there.
Sorry.
Well, this works. Come on. Awesome, that works pretty well. Want to see something spooky? I can move this can from this side of the table to this side without touching it. No, not by blowing on it. With this. So what you'll need for this demo are an aluminum can, a blown up balloon, and some hair. You can use your own. Once you get the balloon blown up, rub it on your head a lot, really fast, because that's what's going to build up the power that's going to move the can. Oh, my arms hurt. Check this out. Come on.
Wow.
That was really good.
Get that can back for you.
Ah, my hair is so tangled. That was pretty cool, right? How did that happen? Well, let's talk about it. When you rub the balloon through your hair, it collects tiny, tiny subatomic particles called electrons on its surface. This buildup of electrons is called static electricity. That means electricity that doesn't move. The electricity, or the electrons, on the surface of the balloon have enough power to pull very light objects. And that's why it moves the soda can toward it. It's so cool. I love physics. Now this was, again, as usual, just a demonstration. If you want to make it an experiment, you need variables. What you can try is putting a little bit of water inside the can and seeing how much static electricity you need to move the can with, you know, a little water to make it slightly heavier. You can also try tearing up a piece of tissue and rub it through your hair again, get a static charge built up, and I tripped.
You're you tripping.
I'm an adult.
Hey, I'm the one that plays with puppets.
Whoa. Hang on, check this out. Oh, pieces of tissue paper.
They're still moving.
That's wild.
That is some weird, wild, wacky, nutty stuff.
Another thing that you can try with the balloon. Another fun thing you can try with your balloon. Another fun thing you can do is get a piece of tissue paper, tear it into, you know, smallish pieces. Put those pieces on a flat surface, rub the balloon through your hair, and then hold it above the tissue pieces and see what happens. You can do it. Watch this. Ah, there we go. That is so cool. I love physics. Now, why did this happen? When you rub the balloon through your hair, it collects lots and lots of tiny subatomic particles called electrons. and it builds up something called a static charge on the surface of the balloon. Static electricity is electricity that doesn't move. The built up electrons on the balloon have enough power to pull tiny or light things toward them, like an aluminum can or little pieces of tissue. It's so cool. Now, as usual, this was just a demonstration. If you want to make it an experiment, you need more variables. So what you can do is try putting some water inside your aluminum can. Just make sure you seal it up real good so it doesn't make a mess. See how much water you can put in the can before the balloon can't pull it anymore. Try different sizes of balloons. See if a bigger balloon can build up a bigger static charge and pull heavier stuff. You can use more pieces of tissue paper, different sizes of tissue paper, see how long each size of balloon can hold onto them before they fall off. All kinds of stuff. Well, I hope that you guys have as much fun at home with this as I did showing it off. Bye! What?
That just looks spooky.
Oh.
Yeah. Wow. Look at that's going by itself now. Matter of sorcery is this.
Static electricity.
Ah.